Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? Today I have a special unboxing. It's a two-in-one type of thing. So here we have something called multifunctional UV sterilizer wireless charger. And as you can see from the picture, you can do two things. You can charge your phone wirelessly. At the same time, you can disinfect your objects down here. You can put it here and just disinfect the object. This is something that could be handy nowadays with the virus. So yeah, so let's take a look and open the box. Oh, what's going on? Oh, this thing is getting all right. So it's from China, and yeah, that's a big wireless thing. Take out this box. Here, as you can see, it's fully plastic. The wireless charger from here on the top, you press the start, and here it says 99.9 sterilization, so you should get your object clean. And let's see, here we have a couple of lights. All right, and we have your booklet, tells you how to this thing can work, but seems like a lot of things. All right, please USB-C, please. It's 2020. You know what? Oh, it's a USB-C, guys. Look at this. Damn, USB-C, nice. All right, so we have this tiny box over here. Let's see, maybe this phone is gonna fit. We have Alcatel 3X, so it can fit here. And so where's the battery? I don't know. Here is the USB-C. Here's where you can charge it. And let's turn it, close it like this. Let's see, does it work? I don't think so. Maybe it needs some charging. But anyways, this is the wireless charger over here. So you can only put one thing, probably one phone, or maybe I'll try it. So I'll have the this is the the Samsung earbuds. Maybe I can just put it one here and then use the Huawei FreeBuds 3 next to it. Maybe it can charge two wireless earbuds. Would be nice, right? Multifunctional. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the wireless charger and sterilizer at the same time. So if you like the video, please like, share, take care, and see you guys later.